up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we're finally going to be doing something that I should have done previously, but today is the day that I finally get it done. I finally got my plaque on the wall, my most accomplishing thing, I feel like. Then I got this cool poster of my car, and then this is the new one, the new race car poster that's for sale if you guys are interested. 15 bucks, Zosh MFG, signed. This one isn't signed because it's my personal one, but they all come signed and numbered. So if you want a piece of Zosh history in case anything happens to me, you're like, oh, I wish I could have supported Zosh when he was around. You still can, you have time. One day this car will probably be cool, like a car that won something, or, you know, it's a piece of history, man, you know? Grab that, player. Earlier this morning, I stopped by a shop called Having Speed to pick up this 3-inch, 4 feet exhaust piping stainless steel. Of course, you know the vibes. And we're going to be extending the exhaust on this setup because it is a little bit too loud for my liking. Like, I love the ignorance. I love to be ignorant, but this is a little too ignorant for my taste. So we're gonna head to the muffler shop to get some pipe extended on the car, and then hopefully take away that loud. Dude, it's loud. Like, the car is super loud. I'm all for the loudness, but let's make it a little less loud. Just a wee bit less, all right? I know it's not really visually appealing, but give you guys a nice little cold start. The car is so loud that you probably can hear me right now. Like, you probably can't hear me right now. It's ridiculous. So hopefully by me extending the exhaust back a little bit, it should, in hindsight, make the car more drivable with audio. If I do like a POV video, I sure as hell know you probably won't hear anything. The exhaust is so loud because it literally dumps right under the shifter. Like, the turn down where the exhaust ends is like right here in this area. So I'm gonna extend it back, so hopefully it'll be less drony and you guys can hear me and everything that I'm saying, and the audio from when I'm doing like POV videos or just having in-car audio, it'll be easy to hear. So hopefully I don't get charged an arm and a leg, but shit, with inflation and all that, even me supplying my own shit, just got a strong feeling. But it sounds so good. Woo! Tuck. Hey, that's gutted. You gutted the whole thing, Tuck?
Yeah, fully.
Look at Tuck, boy. You're a race car. Damn, right. This is literally race car spec. Holy shit.
Watch. Ready?
That's the bearing. That's your input shot bearing.
Yeah.
That's the K2 turn down, right?
Straight pipe.
Yeah, that shit sounds good.
It doesn't give it that like.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Yeah, bro.
That boy Tuck slam. Y'all see the homie Tuck? You haven't seen Tuck in a minute.
Right, bro?
You haven't seen my dog Tuck in a minute, dog. It sounds good. Live in effect here at Mario's. I usually come here to get all my exhaust work done because Mario is the beast. He's the GOAT. I just hope I don't get charged a lot of money. But yeah, so what I'm doing basically is extending. He cut off the V-band part. The V-band's still there. He just cut off the pipe where the turn down is, and the piece that I bought from Having Speed today, he's gonna extend it and then have it jump more back down here, so it'll be easier. It'll still be loud, but it'll be easier to maintain, essentially. Look how beautiful this thing is. CX model, stock, Dude, this thing is freaking nice. You don't find them like this no more, I tell you that much. And this is Mario's car. I think he's selling it. I think it was a for sale sign on the back of it, if I'm not mistaken. Oh no, he's not selling it no more. Yeah, this is Mario's. That's so cool. This would be awesome to have. Yeah, I guess he's not selling it no more. But man, this right here, bruh. Oh my God. If I had 500, I'd offer. So nice. We're done. We're ready to go home. It sounds so much better. $95 for everything, which is not bad. So paid for the exhaust tubing. I ain't gonna say pipe. Pause. And then that, so my whole total was 95 plus 88, like 170-ish around there. So not bad. I'm good. I'm happy. The car sounds better. Ah, bro, like inside the car, let's hear it. Oh, that sounds so much better, dog. I'm so happy right now. Hear the difference from like literally what a couple clips ago, like less than a minute of clips ago to now? Like, dog, it sounds so much better. I love it. Tug said it sounds like a damn Subaru. Who knew spending money would make me happy? I love this shit. This is not the fun part of having white wheels. Not so fun whatsoever. But we're back home. Now we're on our way to pick up girlfriend's car. It's finally back from getting its motor put in and stuff, so that's where we're going.
Boo.
Huh?
Baby boo, not girlfriend.
What?
Since when do you say girlfriend?
I can see myself driving a truck, dog. If only people hit the like button.
Hey, you're gonna cover half?
No. I'm finna bankrupt my, okay. My girl's motor took a crap. I don't know why or how it, dude, I don't know. So we bought a new motor, it was $790, and then the guy charging us
$792 to be exact.
$792 to be exact.
The guy's charging us $850 for the motor swap and stuff, which is relatively really cheap, and that's including his fluids. Pause. Like him providing the oil and the coolant, which I'm probably going to drain the oil and do my own oil, because I don't know what oil he put in there. I don't know what oil that he could have put in there.
We just ask him.
But I gotta make sure it's that good, you feel me? And now I'm finna bankrupt my account, cause that's all I got. Young man Zosh is poor. What? Nobody wants smoke? Who want the smoke? Nobody want the smoke? Home 3 times to get gap. Boosted D-Series. Ooh, he ready to race. I'll walk that shit, bruh. I'm just playing.
Look at the boo-boo.
Look at that, baby girl back on the road. She back on the road, boy. That's a beautiful thing. Look at that smile. There's nothing I love more than seeing her smile, man. You smile on, mama. Oh, look at she driving her car. Look at that smile. Look how big that smile is. Oh. All right, let's drop off Sophie's car. You go, girl. You go, girl. All right, so now we're picking up Randy's car from the homie Chris. He did some paint work for Randy, and now we're gonna have the first impressions of Randy's new whip. That look like a Highlander. Oh, it is a Highlander.
Right?
That's a Highlander. Damn! Randy's back in action. That look good. Damn, you blend that thing perfect. Like, it doesn't even look like you even mess with this side at all. Boy, Chris the GOAT for reals. That's money. That boy back in action.
Right.
And look at that. No more rust finally.
Right.
Well, we don't know that. It's Randy's car. Woo! Back in the RS6. Man, I haven't drove this car in a minute. Feels good though. Any car feels good. This is how my girlfriend drives. She drives literally on the ass. Pause. Like, she soaked up my ass. It makes no sense. Why do girls drive like this? Ladies, if you watch my videos, don't drive like my girl. She drives on my ass. Get off my ass! My car kind of sounds like Randy's car, but just a little bit more loud. But this is the best setup for turbo cars. Buddy Club Spec 2 exhaust, full exhaust, turbo, and it sounds perfect. It literally sounds perfect. I love this. All right, peace out, Randlo. I'm gonna fuck with you. Woo woo! You buys? Pride Month. What's up? So we're on our way now to pick up a deep freezer because we desperately need one for that. This whole video was supposed to be about that Integra exhaust note, and now it turned into like a lifestyle vlog, which is good. Y'all need that. I mean, granted, y'all probably don't need it, but it's nice to have variety of content and stuff, you know?
Psych, bitch. We don't want that. We want cars only, bitch.
I guess I decided to bring you guys along on this journey of finding a deep freezer. Shout out to Facebook Marketplace for having them deals and lowballing. Yeah, that's what we do around here, player. All right, ready? It's pretty light. It's really light. It's not that
So let me get this side.
Okay. All right, ready?
This is the lightest thing I've ever.
I told you it's light.
This is lighter than the.
Oh, I'm going down. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. All right, money. Look at that. That's money. I'll move that out the way. As long as it's out the truck, that's money.
Psych, bitch.